Hello everyone. Today, let us learn how to generate a page using data models. In this video, we will cover data models and their use in generating various pages within the Devum platform. To get started, go to the Data Modeler section located in the Dev space. From there, select the specific entity, that is, employee, that you want to work with. Once you've selected Employee, click on the three-dot menu icon beside it. A pop-up window will appear. In the pop-up window, choose the Generate Page option to proceed. Once you have received confirmation that your page has been created, navigate to App Studio from your main menu. Then we select the page we have just generated. In our case, it's Employee Listing. Select Add New. A form with employee details will appear. Fill in the relevant details such as name, designation, image, etc. Click Save to save the employee details as shown here. To add another employee, simply follow the same procedure as before. Click on the Add New button once again, and you will be directed to a form where you can input the details for the second employee. Fill in the required fields such as name, department, designation, date of joining, and upload an image as needed. Once you have entered all the information, make sure to click on the Save button to securely store the data. On the bottom right of the page, select the three-dot menu, where a pop-up with the Export and Import options are available. Now, to customize your data binding or data source setup, begin by selecting the Data Binding Data Source option. Here you have the flexibility to tailor the columns displayed in your listing by adding or removing them as needed. For instance, you can choose to remove columns like date of joining and reporting to, and then add them back later for demonstration purposes. Moreover, you can customize the column list by editing the Minify column list to display essential information only. Toggle between full and condensed column views based on your needs. Once you have made all the desired adjustments and modifications, you can finalize the process by publishing your changes. This action ensures that your customizations are saved and reflected in the updated data binding or data source configuration. Thank you.